If you live with diabetes, what you do at night can quietly shape your blood sugar, your sleep, and the way you feel tomorrow. Most people focus on daytime meals, but real progress often starts with a calm, repeatable night routine. In this video, you will learn 9 simple habits that help you sleep deeper, wake with steadier numbers, and feel more in control without extra stress. I'll share why each habit works, exact steps, easy options, common mistakes, and a sample bedtime routine you can follow tonight. Quick reminder, this content is educational, not medical advice. Always follow your doctor or diabetes educator for personal guidance. Habit 1. Check your blood sugar before bed. Why? It helps your body keeps working while you sleep. Blood sugar can drift up or down overnight. A quick check before bed gives you awareness. Awareness gives you peace and control. What to do? Check your number 20 to 30 minutes before lights out. Know your personal safe range for bedtime. If you are not sure, ask your care team. If your number is trending low, consider a small balanced snack. If your number is high, check your plan. Fluids. A gentle walk earlier in the evening, or the correction steps you and your clinician agreed on. Helpful tips: if you use a CGM, glance at the trend arrow, not only the number. A flat arrow is calmer than a sharp rise or fall. Keep test supplies or your reader at the same spot every night to make this effortless. Write a one-line note if something was different that day: extra exercise, new food, stress. These notes help you learn your patterns. Common mistakes: skipping the check because you felt fine. Nighttime lows and highs can be quiet and sneaky. Eating a random snack without checking first. Habit 2. Choose a smart bedtime snack. If you need one, why? It helps. A small balanced snack can prevent overnight dips and blunt early morning spikes. Especially if you use insulin, have the dawn phenomenon, or often wake up high or low. Snack rules that work: aim for 100 to 150 calories. Combine protein plus healthy fat plus a little fiber. Avoid sugar-heavy foods and big portions. Easy ideas: 1 tablespoon peanut or almond butter on half a slice of teal grain toast. Half an apple with 1 ounce cheddar. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt with 6 to 8 almonds. 1 hard-boiled egg plus 2 to 3 whole grain crackers. 1/2 small banana with 1 tablespoon nut butter. When to skip the snack: if your bedtime number runs high and trends up, a snack may not be needed. Focus on hydration and your plan. If you ate dinner late, you may already be covered. Common mistakes: turning a snack into a second dinner. Picking cereal, cookies, ice cream, or juice at night. These can spike you and disturb sleep. Habit 3. Avoid heavy late-night meals. Why? It helps. Large or sugary meals close to bedtime sit in your stomach longer, raise blood sugar hours later, and can disrupt deep sleep. What to do? Try to finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you are hungry later, use the Smart Snack Guide above. Ask yourself, am I hungry, or just bored, stressed, or tired? Swap ideas: ice cream gives Greek yogurt with cinnamon. Leftover pizza gives 1 slice with a big salad earlier in the evening. Sweet dessert gives a few berries with yogurt or just herbal tea. Common mistakes: eating in front of screens without noticing. Portions. Drinking sugary beverages at night. Habit 4. Take a short walk after dinner. Why? It helps. Even a 10 to 15-minute easy walk helps your muscles use glucose and creates a smoother post-meal curve. It also relieves stress, aids digestion, and helps you wind down. What to do? Walk 10 to 15 minutes within 30 to 60 minutes after dinner. Pace does not need to be fast. Gentle is fine. If you cannot go outside, do steps in your hallway, march in place, or try a short indoor video. Make it enjoyable. Walk with a partner, call a friend, or listen to calming music. Notice the evening air and keep screens away for a few minutes. Common mistakes: skipping movement because you think it won't matter. Small, steady actions compound. Habit 5. Hydrate smart, not late. Why? It helps. Good hydration helps your kidneys clear extra glucose and supports stable numbers. But chugging water right before bed can wake you all night. What to do? Sip water throughout the day and early evening. After dinner, keep it light. A small glass 60 to 90 minutes before bed is enough for most people. If plain water is dull, add lemon, cucumber, or a mint leaf. Common mistakes: big drinks late at night. Relying on sugary drinks or sports drinks for hydration. Habit 6. Do a simple stress release ritual. Why it helps: stress hormones like cortisol can raise glucose even without food. A short, calming ritual tells your body you are safe. It is time to rest. Pick one 5 to 10 minute toolbox breathing. Inhale 4, hold 4. Exhale 4, hold 4. Repeat for 2 to 5 minutes. Body scan. Close eyes. Relax each body part from head to toe. Gratitude list. Write 3 small things that went well today. Stretching, gentle neck, shoulders, back, and calves. Quiet audio, soft music, or a short guided relaxation. Common mistakes: doom scrolling. In bed, jumping straight from work emails to lights out with no cooldown. Habit 7. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. Why it helps: your body loves rhythm. Regular sleep and wake times help balance hormones that affect blood sugar, including insulin and cortisol. What to do? Pick a target bedtime and wake time. Stick to them within 30 to 45 minutes. Even on weekends, start wind down 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Dim lights, silence notifications, and switch to calm tasks. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Consider blackout curtains, a simple fan, or white noise. Common mistakes: big swings in bedtime between workdays and weekends. Bright screens in the last hour. Blue light tells your brain it is daytime. Habit 8. Use technology wisely. Why? It helps. Tools like CGMs, smart alerts, and sleep-friendly alarms offer awareness and safety without constant worry. What to do if you have a CGM? Set low and high alerts that are helpful, not overly sensitive. If you fingerstick, set a gentle morning reminder to check fasting glucose. Keep Do Not Disturb on 4 non-critical apps at night, so only health alerts get through. Consider sharing CGM alerts with a trusted person if recommended by your clinician. Common mistakes: alarm fatigue from too many alerts. Adjust thresholds with your care team. Charging devices in the other room without planning. Keep what you need nearby. Habit 9. Prepare for tomorrow tonight. Why it helps: a few minutes of setup lowers morning stress, supports better choices and steadier numbers. 5-minute checklist: medications ready where you see them. Breakfast plan decided. Eggs and spinach. Greek yogurt and nuts. Chia pudding or leftovers you trust. Lunch packed or outlined. Protein, non-starchy veggies. Optional: slow carb. Water bottle rinsed and refilled for morning. Clothes and shoes set out. For a short morning walk or stretch. Common mistakes: waking up to decision overload. Decisions use energy. Plan the basics the night before. A simple night routine you can start today, 90 minutes before bed. Dim lights. Finish dinner by now. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb, allow health alerts. Sip the last small glass of water, 60 minutes before bed. Short walk if you have not moved after dinner. Light stretch or shower, 30 minutes before bed. Check blood sugar. Review trend if needed. Have your smart snack 100 to 150 calories. Do your stress release ritual for 5 to 10 minutes. Lights out bedroom, cool, dark, and quiet. Breathe slowly. Remind yourself, I have done enough for today. Troubleshooting. Common night problems. High fasting number check, dinner timing and size. Add the after-dinner walk. Review your bedtime snack choice and portion. Discuss dawn phenomenon strategies with your clinician. Problem. Overnight low. Check bedtime number and trend. Use a protein plus fat snack when appropriate. Review meds with your care team. Problem: waking to urinate. Many times shifts most fluids earlier in the day. Limit big drinks after dinner. Problem: I can't fall asleep. Keep a consistent wind dash down. Try paper instead of screens at night. Keep caffeine earlier. Limit alcohol, which disrupts sleep and blood sugar. Final thought: nighttime is not just the end of your day. It is the start of tomorrow's stability. These 9 habits: checking your number, choosing a smart snack, avoiding heavy late meals, a short walk, smart hydration, stress release, steady sleep times, gentle tech support, and simple prep work together like gears. Small, calm steps, repeated often, create big results. You deserve deep rest, steady mornings, and a routine that feels kind and doable. Start with one habit tonight. Build the rest over time. Your body will thank you. If this helps, please like the video, subscribe for weekly diabetes-friendly tips, and share this with someone who needs calm, simple help at night. Tell me in the comments which habit you'll start with.